What's up, you guys? So today I'm here to help those few of you that just wake up in the morning and have no idea what to do with their hair for school. I've had plenty of those days throughout middle school and high school, so I know the struggle. The curly hair struggle is a real thing. So with that being said, I've come up with about four curly hairstyles, and I hope that you guys can use these hairstyles throughout high school, throughout middle school, whatever grade you're in. So let's just go ahead and get started, shall we? So for this first hairstyle, I'm going to be sectioning off the front of my hair. That way I can have a few pieces that'll frame my face for a more effortless look. Next, I'm just going to be partially gathering some of the hair from the top, and I'm going to seal that with a rubber band. I'm telling you guys, this look is so fast and easy. It literally just takes seconds and then you're flying out the door. So this hairstyle is pretty much good for when you are running late for school, or you just are too tired to do a hairstyle that requires so much work. Yeah, this one works for me. This is my go-to. I love this style. I do this style pretty often, so I'm sure you guys have seen it in a couple of my videos. So moving on to hairstyle number 2, we're going to go ahead and leave those two front pieces out, and we're going to be placing our hair into a low bun. This bun is going to be the most effortless bun you have ever done in your life. I like to kind of keep the hair over my ear just so that it doesn't look so neat. I love the messy look. I've been obsessed with it lately. It's just so cute. When I'm wrapping the rubber band around my ponytail, I don't like to do it too tight. As you can see, I probably only did it about 2 times. And then, yeah, so if you feel like any of your hair is like too loose or it's like falling out too much, go ahead and use another rubber band to kind of put it in more together. That probably doesn't even make sense, but just kind of form your bun a little tighter, if you know what I mean. Look how cute this hairstyle is, like, come on. This hairstyle is so cute and flirty. You can't go wrong with a little effortless bun. So for this hairstyle, I've actually never done this before. This is going to be my first time trying this hairstyle on camera, and it actually came out pretty cute. So I'm pretty happy about that. I went ahead and put the back into a ponytail just so that I'm not grabbing hairs from the back into the rubber band. That hurts so bad. If you know what I'm talking about, give this video a thumbs up. I hate when you have little hairs added into your rubber band that aren't supposed to be there. So now we're just going to frantically do our edges. It took me forever to do my edges, so I'm just going to skip through this part. That's pretty much it for this hairstyle. This hairstyle is super easy. It's just a little pebbles ponytail. So cute for school. And last but not least, I wanted to go ahead and throw in the classic low bun with a deep side part. I'm pretty sure that most of you already know how to do this hairstyle, but I just wanted to add it in here because I feel like this hairstyle is so convenient for school, especially for girls with curly hair. It's a protective hairstyle and it's just cute. It gets your hair off of your shoulder. So that is going to be it for today's video. I really hope that you guys find these hairstyles useful and will continue to use them throughout your year of school. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below with any questions that you have regarding any products that I used in this video. Also, please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and turn on those post notifications. That way you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And until then, I'll see you all next time. Bye guys.